how to factory reset an iPhone. Before resetting, you want to make sure you have backed your iPhone in iCloud so that you do not miss on an important data. So now, let's go to the Settings app and click on your name. There, go to Find My, and here, first you need to turn off the Find My iPhone option. Apple will ask you your Apple ID password, so go ahead and add that. Now that we've turned off the Find My iPhone, let's go back to the Profile Settings page and disassociate ourselves from the iPhone. To do so, scroll to the bottom of your page and click on Sign Out. Now, since we don't want any of our data in the iPhone, we will let everything off and hit the Sign Out. Now let's go back to the main settings page and look for General. In General, go to the bottom of the page and search for Reset and click on that. Now click on Erase All Content and Settings and enter your passcode of the device. And with that, we have successfully reset our iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. Before leaving, please make sure you hit the subscribe button because you do not want to miss on more of our videos. That is all for this video. We will soon see you again with similar videos. Until then, stay tuned and stay safe. Thank you.